What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the famous ABC juice. This is apples, beets, and carrots. Now this juice right here is full of nutrients and it's really one of the best tasting juices I've had so far. It's really my favorite, so I'm going to show you guys how to make this. Now as far as recipes go, I do bulk juice, so if you're interested in bulk juicing you can follow this to a T. But if you want to make like a shorter version, something that makes about 28 ounces of juice, you can do about a half lemon, 1 apple, 2 small beets, and 4 medium carrots. And of course, and always, make sure you wash all the fruits, and then, if you need to, scrub them and whatnot. However you wash them, just wash them. But right here, you see I'm cutting up the beetroot. Now, I used about 4 stems or whatever you call them of beetroot. It comes with 3 on each, so that's what I did for this recipe. And then I use like a bunch of carrots. This one I'm not going to get too specific. Like I said, I'll put in an ingredient list from the Nama J2 book and it'll show you a half lemon, 1 apple, 2 small beets, and 4 medium carrots. But I did more, and I also like to add in a little bit of ginger into this recipe, just because ginger is good and healthy for you, and it doesn't really change this recipe right here. As you see, I have a mess in there. I did juice some lemons before that because I like to squeeze in or have some fresh squeezed lemon juice. They say it is good to have fresh squeezed lemon juice into every drink you have, just to preserve the nutrients inside of the fruits and stuff like that if you want to store it for about 2 or 3 days. 4 days is the max I heard, but 2 or 3 days usually when the juice can stay the best and retain its nutrients. You can see the machine shaking right here, and I apologize, but I was shoving more of the apples in. And then I was using like the little black thing to push down the fruit. Beetroots take a little bit longer to chop up in this process if you ever use beetroots in the Nama J2 juicer. It is what it is. As you can see, I have the fresh lemon juice right there as well. That's from the past juice I made. This recipe right here, man, just seeing the color of the beet juice is super crazy. ABC juice is good, like I said, and apples are a good source of fiber, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin E, and much more. As far as beetroot, beets are a nutrient-dense vegetable. It has minimum calories and it can offer you folate, fiber, vitamin C, potassium, iron, and protein. And for carrots, carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A, which is essential for your eyes, and they're loaded with potassium, vitamin B6, biotin, fiber, and vitamin K. So just think of that, you getting all that in this one juice. It really does taste good. Like, I wouldn't make that up. This is probably one of my favorite drinks, like I mentioned earlier. And just the benefits of this juice as a whole, it may help in weight loss, boost your heart health, detoxifies the body, it can improve your eye and skin health, and it also boosts your immunity. All in all, a very well-rounded juice right here. I think you guys, if you never tried this juice before, it may sound kind of weird. I've never had a beet before this. When I first tried this it was like one of the Costco juices from Press. It was super good. So I knew this would be one of my favorite juices to make, and I've just been excited with this. As you see right here, this is from this fresh squeezed lemon juice that I had earlier. And I just like to pour a little bit inside. So I'll get about probably 2 servings of this right here, or 2 full jugs right here. This is the best I can do as far as like my mixing jug. It works and it gets the job done. So however you do it, just do it. But definitely try this juice out. Like I said, you start your day off with this and it'll change your whole, how your day goes, how your morning goes. Drink it before breakfast, or you can drink it before bed. Whenever you want to do it, do it. Definitely try this out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment down below.